Normally tum hedi non bang el tum ke Rengma Naga tuma hem amande terang along sidwiglo la se ala el tum hanjo la uncle bang hedi ele tuma nang thanik potong la se la Rengma Naga tuma men bang ko PPC la pu la tum ki irma yatma hedi la supu thana thanik potong la se humni jam senang normally tum dei. May I know your name?
I'm Kenga, Kenga Rengma from the Canary. And then these days I'm presenting the Rengma house here in the 47th Karbi Youth Festival over here. And first of all, I would like to greet all the delegates and then the members who are presenting here in this festival.
So means uncle, what you call this house in your language?
This is actually this we have made in Rengma we call it Rengshe.
Rengshe. Oh.
Yeah. And this is the men dormitory.
Dormitory. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This are female allowed to enter here? Or?
Actually, in those days, female are not allowed to enter.
Okay.
Yeah. It's purely prohibited for the women folks.
Okay.
Yeah. This is we call it Honsanpi.
Hamtunpi.
Honsanpi.
Hamsunpi.
Honsanpi. This is hornbill.
Okay.
Made of wooden craft.
Okay.
And this is especially for prohibited for the women, means when we put this one or hornbill head, women are not allowed to enter.
Oh, is this?
Yeah.
Oh, and if they don't put this on, then they are.
Yeah, they are allowed.
Oh, it's like a certain kind of symbol that you are not allowed or allowed to enter.
Yeah, like that.
What are these things then? This one.
This is guppy. This is mithun head. Because we sacrifice the mithun for the youth in the festival.
Okay. And what do you call this?
This called we call it Sami Chalu. This is for the men folks.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Then okay. Yo normally tum nang arlo se dolo dak mang pinang hormone nang pakang dolo tum ko kasi uncle, please you explain all these things then to our viewers.
This is we call it a mekla. This is pere in Rengma. This is used for the women. They wear.
Well, these are similar one maybe.
Yeah, but this is the Rengma National Women Meklas.
Okay. So then I think all are similar maybe. That all the designs are different maybe. This one.
Yeah, the design is different. This is we call it a karha. This one is
karha.
No? Yeah, the wearers like they wear this.
On your forehead?
No.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this is a jacket for the young man.
Okay.
And this is this one is a muffler.
Oh, this one is muffler?
Yeah, muffler. Yes, muffler.
What do you call in your language?
We call it pere. Yeah.
Pere thang don marli tum yodai. Now then, what about this kitchens? This one no? This is fireplace no?
This is a shing. We call it shing.
Shing.
Yeah, shing. Okay. Where we dry the meat and all. Yeah, like that. And this is the mapong.
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 Okay. And what about the backyard?
And then this one.
Okay, this one.
This one is kantashalu.
Okay.
This is wear by the old people.
Okay.
The old men.
Okay. Any specialization?
This is
or just they wear it or
no. They have those who have sacrificed the animal, or then if they feed the public for the 1 month or 2 months.
Okay.
After that only they can wear this one.
Okay. Yeah. It is very special. I mean.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. And this is the backyard. Lapuke arloke yo dormani tum arloke hedi ya mane avelo lapuke bang. Kidun kita ngadim lo. Kasi lapanik chorlo la Rengmas ahema tuma puthake amande dormitory mate aterang puthake. So I thank our uncle very much for explaining us beautifully.
Okay.
So then and at the same time I wish him all the best for the future. So then last we will have one photo in front of the house.